Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to colorize images in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open any black and white image you need. Then to color the skin, we'll create a solid color similar to the skin color and change its blend mode to color. Follow my steps accurately and watch the tutorial until the end to get the perfect results. Press Ctrl and I to invert the mask. Then choose the brush tool and select the foreground color as white and brush on the areas where the skin should be colored. And guys, we have created a WhatsApp channel for ourselves. Make sure to join through the link given in the description and the pinned comment. Join us for more updates and useful resources. Take your own time and do it perfectly. And guys, if you have tutorial suggestions, drop a comment below. Let me change the color a bit so it would be perfect and realistic. Then to color the lips, let's duplicate the image and select the areas of the lips. Then create a solid dark red color and change its blend mode to color. Adjust the red color as you wish. Brush on the uncolored areas to get the perfect result. Next, to color the hair, create a solid dark brown color and invert its mask. Change its blend mode to color. Choose the brush tool and select the foreground color as white and brush on the areas where the hair is. Do it patiently to get the perfect result. And there you have it, a colorized image in Photoshop. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Photoshop tips and tricks. And don't forget to join our WhatsApp channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.